हेलो फ्रेंड्स ए वीडियो रे आज हम डिस्कशन करबा 100 ज्योग्राफी एमसीक्यू जार टॉपिक रहबो रिसोर्स विथ स्पेशल रेफरेंस टू इंडिया। तो रिसोर्स रो सब जाक क्वेश्चन रहबो 100 क्वेश्चन रहबो वीडियो को संपूर्ण भाବରେ देखिबे। यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करबा ପାଇଁ टेलीग्राम ग्रुप लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहइछ सेठी जॉइन होई डाउनलोड कर पाइबे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आरंभ करबा। प्रथम सेक्शन ले रिसोर्स विथ स्पेशल रेफरेंस टू इंडिया रो टाइप्स एंड क्लासिफिकेशन रो ऊपर क्वेश्चन रहबो। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लो आरंभ करबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स। तो करेक्ट आंसर रहबो कोन? करेक्ट आंसर रहबो ऑप्शन नंबर बी सोलर एनर्जी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 minerals that are used for making tools and machinery are called. The correct answer is option number B metallic mineral. Question number 3 which of the following is a biotic resource. Correct answer is option number B forest. Question number 4 water air and sunlight are example of. The correct answer is option number D abiotic resource. Question number 5 fossil fuel are considered. The correct answer is option number B non renewable resource. Question number 6 which of the following is a non metallic mineral. The correct answer is option number C mica. Question number 7 resources that can regenerate themselves if used carefully are called. The correct answer is option number A renewable resource. Question number 8 soil is classified as a. The correct answer is option number B abiotic resource. Question number 9 which of the following is an inexhaustible resource. The correct answer is wind. Question number 10 forests are considered as. The correct answer is biotic resource. Question number 11 resources that are distributed unbinal across the world are called. The correct answer is option number D potential resource. Question number 12 the total amount of resource available is known as. The correct answer is stock. Question number 13 koila petroleum and natural gas are. The correct answer is option number B non renewable resource. Question number 14 resources that exist but have not been used are called. The correct answer is option number A potential resource. Question number 15 solar energy wind energy and tidal energy are. The correct answer is option number A renewable resource. Question number 16 which of the following is considered a human made resource. The correct answer is option number B. Question number 17 land is classified as a. The correct answer is abiotic resource. Question number 18 minerals that cannot be reowned once extracted are called. The correct answer is option number B non renewable mineral. Question number 19 resources obtained from living organisms are called. The correct answer is option number B biotic resource. Question number 20 which of the following is a flow resource. The correct answer is option number B wind. तो ए सेक्शन ले लैंड रिसोर्स इन इंडिया रो क्वेश्चन देखबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 which type of soil is most suitable for rice cultivation in India. The correct answer is alluvial soil. Question number 22 the total geographical area of India is approximately. The correct answer is option number B 3.28 million square kilometer. Question number 23 which soil is rich in humus and ideal for plantation crop like tea and coffee. The correct answer is option number C laterite soil. Question number 24 which state in India has the largest area under black soil. The correct answer is option number A Maharashtra. Question number 25 the major purpose of tertiary in land management is. The correct answer is option number B prevent soil erosion. Question number 26 Which of the following is a human-made land resource? The correct answer is option number B. Cropland. Question number 27. Laterite soil is formed mainly due to. The correct answer is option number A. Question number 28. Which of the following is the least fertile soil in India? The correct answer is option number C. Laterite soil. Question number 29. Western land refers to land that is. The correct answer is option number B. Not fit for cultivation. Question number 30. Which of the following soil is generally found in river delta? The correct answer is alluvial soil. तो इस सेक्शन में बायोटिक रिसोर्स इन इंडिया क्वेश्चन देखिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए बायोटिक रिसोर्स द करेक्ट आंसर इज फॉरेस्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 इंडिया इज वन ऑफ द मेगा बायोडायवर्सिटी कंट्री बिकॉज द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी रिच वैरायटी ऑफ फ्लोरा एंड फौना क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 द वेस्टर्न घाट आर known for the correct answer is option number B tropical evergreen forest question number 34 mangrove are mainly found in the correct answer is option number B coastal area question number 35 which of the following is an example of aquatic biotic resource the correct answer is option number A fish question number 36 forest contribute to which of the following ecosystem service the correct answer is option number A carbon question number 37 India's national tree is the correct answer is option number A banyan question number 38 wildlife sanctuary are primarily mean the correct answer is option number B protecting question number 39 which Indian state has the highest mangrove cover the correct answer is option number A West Bengal question number 40 over exploration of biotic resource can lead to the correct answer is biodiversity loss तो इस सेक्शन में मिनरल रिसोर्स इन इंडिया क्वेश्चन देखिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 which of the following is an iron ore producing state in India the correct answer is option number A Jharkhand question number 42 bauxite is mainly used in the production of the correct answer is aluminum question number 43 which of the following is a ferrous mineral the correct answer is copper question number 44 the major koila producing region of India is the correct answer is option number A Damodar Valley question number 45 limestone is mainly used for the correct answer is option number A cement production question number 46 which state is the largest producer of mica in India the correct answer is for Rajasthan question number 47 copper is mainly found in which Indian state the correct answer is option number B Odisha question number 48 which of the following is non metallic mineral the correct answer is mica question number 49 the major source of petroleum in India is the correct answer is option number A Mumbai High question number 50 which of the following mineral is used in making cement the correct answer is option number A limestone तो ए सेक्शन ले एनर्जी रिसोर्स इन इंडिया क्वेश्चन गुलो देखिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 which of the following is a renewable source of energy the correct answer is option number B solar energy question number 52 the major koila producing state in India is the correct answer is Jharkhand question number 53 hydroelectric power is generated using the correct answer is flowing water question number 54 petroleum is mainly found in which region in India The correct answer is option number A, Western. Question number 55. Nuclear energy in India is primarily obtained from. The correct answer is uranium. Question number 56. Which of the following is an inextricable energy resources? The correct answer is option number A, wind. Question number 57. Which Indian state has the highest installed capacity of solar power? The correct answer is option number A, Rajasthan. Question number 58. The main source of biomass energy is. The correct answer is option number B, wood and crop residue. Question number 59. Which of the following is a conventional resource of energy? The correct answer is option number B, koila. Question number 60. Geothermal energy is obtained from. The correct answer is option number B, earth internal heat to. तो এই সেকশনে ওয়াটার রিসোর্স ইন ইন্ডিয়ার কোশ্চেন গুলো দেখিবা। Question number 61. Which of the following river is known as the Ganga of the South? The correct answer is option number A, Godavari. Question number 62. The largest dam in India by volume of water stored is. The correct answer is option number B, Hirakud. Question number 63. The main source of irrigation in India is. The correct answer is option number B, wells and tunnels. Question number 64. Which river basin is called the rice bowl of India? The correct answer is option number B, Godavari basin. Question number 65. Which Indian state has the highest number of dams? The correct answer is option number A, Maharashtra. Question number 66. Multi-purpose river valley projects are mainly constructed for. The correct answer is option number A, irrigation and flood control. Question number 67. Which of the following is a major water resource in India? The correct answer is option number A, Bhakra Nagar Reservoir. Question number 68. India's river water is mostly used for. The correct answer is option number B, irrigation. Question number 69. Which of the following rivers perennial? The correct answer is option number B, Ganga. Question number 70. Rainwater harvesting help mainly in. The correct answer is option number A, groundwater recharge. So agriculture and industrial resource in India question number 71. India is the largest producer of which crop in the world? The correct answer is option number A, rice. Question number 72. The green revolution in India mainly increased the production of. The correct answer is option number B, wheat and rice. Question number 73. Tea plantations are mainly found in. The correct answer is option number A, Assam, West Bengal and Kerala. Question number 74. Which state is the largest producer of sugar cane in India? The correct answer is option number A, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 75. The main raw material for textile industry is. The correct answer is option number A, cotton. Question number 76. The iron and steel industry in India is mainly located in. The correct answer is option number A, Jamshedpur, Bhilai or Alkala. Question number 77. The main source of raw material for paper industry in India is. The correct answer is option number A, bamboo and wood. Question number 78. Which of the following crop is kharif crop? The correct answer is option number B, rice. Question number 79. Cotton is mainly grown in which region of India? The correct answer is option number A, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Punjab. Question number 80. The major steel plant in Bhilai use which type of iron ore? The correct answer is option number A, hematite. Question number 81. India is the largest producer of which spice? The correct answer is option number A, black pepper. Question number 82. Which state is famous for jute production? The correct answer is option number A, West Bengal. Question number 83. Which of the following is a Horticultural crop. The correct answer is option number A, mango. Question number 84. The leading producer of tea in India is. The correct answer is option number A, Assam. The question number 85. The main industrial region of cotton textile in India is. The correct answer is option number A, Mumbai, Pune, Nagar, Nagpur. Question number 86. The fertilizer industry in India mainly used. The correct answer is option number A, natural gas. Question number 87. India is the leading producer of which fruit? The correct answer is option number A, mango. Question number 88. Sugarcane is a major crop in which Indian state? The correct answer is option number A, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Question number 89. India's largest iron and steel plant is located at. The correct answer is option number B, Jamshedpur. Question number 90. The main source of energy for most industry in India is. The correct answer is option number A, koila. Question number 91. India is the leading producer of which pulse crop? The correct answer is option number A, gram. Question number 92. Which state is the largest producer of wheat in India? The correct answer is option number B, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 93. India leading cotton textile city is. The correct answer is option number C, Ahmedabad. Question number 94. The major jute producing state of India is. The correct answer is option number A, West Bengal. Question number 95. Which Indian state is famous for mango production? The correct answer is option number A, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 96. The main industrial city for steel in India is. The correct answer is option number A, Jamshedpur. Question number 97. India is a leading producer of which spice after black pepper? The correct answer is option number B, turmeric. Question number 98. Which state has the largest area under tea plantation in India? The correct answer is option number A, Assam. Question number 99. India's fertilizer industry mainly depend on which raw material? The correct answer is option number A, natural gas. Question number 100. The main industrial region of India producing iron and steel is. The correct answer is option number A, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Raurkela. तो ये थिला कंप्लीटली 100 एमसीक्यू इंडियन ज्योग्राफी रो रिसोर्स ऊपर वीडियो भल लागले वीडियो को लाइक करिवो चैनल को नथिले चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिवो या पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करिया पई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि सेटु जॉइन होई डाउनलोड करि परिवो नचेत ए पीडीएफ रो ए तळे मध्ये रहिछि एटु क्लिक करी टेलीग्राम सहित जोडी भी होई परिवो।